Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Filecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Filecoin chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $6 mark and the $4 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $4.679 mark, and having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, I believe we have now bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, and that is after seeing the formation of a 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $9.5 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $16.059 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side at around the $16.059 mark, which is just a minimum target area. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that I'm expecting to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting here on the Filecoin chart, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to give you the short-term scenarios. Here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $7.6 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 that I have shown you on the 4-hour chart, which I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios. And having seen the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $6.127 mark and the $5.286 mark, and it is within this blue target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave. And at the time of this recording, you can see we have fully maximized this blue target area, meaning there are high chances that you have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and soon we are going to see another impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And assuming that Filecoin is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, we can be able to sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $10.144 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect this wave 3 to the upper side to do. And in the formation of that wave 3, we can also expect another 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that with higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And that is what we can expect here on the short-term scenarios. And for that move to also play out, we need to break above the 20-day MAs, both on the 1-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart, and also show some impulsiveness in the formation of these wave 3, and also see a move that is going to give us a break above the $7.6 mark, which is the wave 1 high of this higher Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And the moment we manage to break above that high, then that will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the start of that wave 3 to the upper side. But in case the breakdown continues and we lose this blue target area and continue seeing further breakdown to the lower side, then that will be suggesting an alternative scenario where we can term this hold structure to the lower side as an ABC corrective structure, having this as a wave A, then a wave B, then a wave C to give us one more leg down within this red target area, which was the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2. In case such a move plays out, then I'll be terming the new low as the low for this higher Elliott wave count 2, and then from there we can start sketching out another new roadmap to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Continue watching our blue target area within the formation of this wave 2, which lies between the $6.185 mark and the $5.3 mark, because we need to continue holding within the blue target area for us to still say that whatever we are seeing is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. And as long as we are holding within it, then there are high chances that we are going to recover in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side without invalidation of this 1-2 setup that I have right here. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 38 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case the reversal in the formation of that wave 3 starts. But in case the breakdown continues, that movement will still be supported on the RSI. On the mark, we have been able to print a bullish cross, suggesting that higher prices are coming our way, though we don't have an increase in the buying volume here on the MACD, suggesting even higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.